Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amin Takim bin Muhammad Hazri, and today I'm with my groupmate Muhammad Haikal bin Zaini. Today we are going to do a presentation about our mini project that has been given the topic local authority. Our group has been given the task to create a program using C++ or Python to um, calculate the billing system and allow customers to access to this program. So before we go to our program, I would like to introduce a little about our company. Our company, RTD Road and Transportation Department Malaysia, was established in 1937 under the Traffic Enactment 1937. With the establishment of the Malayan administration in April 1946, the powers of the board were taken over by the Office of the Registrar and Inspection of Motorized Vehicle, which covers the whole of Malaya. Due to significant progress in the national transportation system in 1980, RTD is increasingly burdened with various responsibilities in improving the quality of its service. In line with that, the internal structure of the department has been restructured to increase efficiency to suit current needs and interests. Road and Transportation is one of the departments under the Land Division Ministry of Transport Malaysia, responsible in providing counter services for vehicle and driver licensing as well as enforcing the Road Transport Act 1987 to ensure prudent drivers and safe vehicles. In addition, it is also an organization that provides high quality service, manages revenue collection, and enforces the Transportation Act in a transparent and effective manner.
Okay, hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Haikal bin Muhammad Zaini, and I with my friends Muhammad Amin. So I will present about my programming local authority. So for the first thing is we need to put head file for this program. So hashtag include fstream, include string, include stdio.h, and lastly include iOS stream. So after we put file header file, so we need to put function declaration. So function declaration we need to put void login, transaction, balance, registration, service, and lastly is profile. So after we put function declaration, we start our programming lah. So first thing is we need to put integer main bracket. So start bracket. So this one is display for the main menu page. Yeah, display for main menu page. So the main menu page have printf. This one the welcome RTD official page, your authorized route and transportation payment platform. So press 1 for the login. Okay, printf. Second is press 2 press 2 to register your account. Printf more. Press 3 to view service offer, press 4 to view company profile, and press 5 to exit the page. Okay, please enter your choice. So I show you my output, right? So this one is the output lah. Welcome to RTD official page, the authorized road and transportation payment platform. So the press 1 for login, press 2 for registration account, press 3 to view service offer, press 4 to view company profile, and lastly is press 5 to exit page. So this one is please enter your choice. So you just enter the choice what you want is press 1, login, and other as lah. So after that we present about the option for the input. So the case 1. Okay. Case 1, login. In bracket, if input. Okay. 1, the program continue to login page. Registration, if input 2, the program continue to registration page. Okay. And case 3, service. So if you input the 3, the program continue to service offer page. Okay. Case 4, profile. The program continue to company profile page. Case 5, the program will stop. Okay. So default. Okay, if input is not from 1 to 5, screen will be clear and it will go back to the main page. Okay. So like this one lah. Okay. It wait. Okay. So he return back to this page lah, the main menu page. Okay. Okay, and then after the all case, we include the in programming, so we need to close with the bracket lah. This one. Okay. This one is for the bracket case, and this one for the bracket, the main menu page. Okay, start with main menu page until the case. Okay. So that's all for me. So I will pass to my friends, Muhammad Amin. Thank you.
So firstly we go to case number 1. Case number 2, which is registration. So we use bot registration. In the first line, we declare the variable, which is our user ID, our password, our ID, and our pass. So the system TLS means the screen will be clear, and there will be a display to enter your username, and you enter your username, and then there will be display to enter your password. You enter your password. So, and then the next line is for record the text from the input. So off stream F1 record text, it means that whatever things that you put in the username and password, it will be recorded. So after that, it will continue, and the screen will be clear, and there will be a display saying that the registration is completed. The screen will be clear again, and you will be returned to the main menu page. Okay, the next one is for case number 1, which is login. So I use void login, and I use integer count since we are going to use count 0 or count 1. So declaration of variable, the variable used is user ID, password ID, pass income. So after that, the screen will be cleared, and there will be a display to enter your username and password. So there will be a display to enter your username, display to enter your password, you enter your password. So from this line, you can see that from the registration, it say off stream. It means that the input will be recorded. So when you use in-stream input, the input will be read and compared to the record text in the registration. So while input ID pass, so if ID equals user ID and pass equal password, so count 1. Count 1 means that the input for username and password is the same with the recorded text in registration. So if the condition is correct, the screen will be reset, and we go to the second if count equal 1, will be a continuation from the first if. So the screen will be displayed. Your login is completed. System pause means that the screen will be froze unless you press any key. So go to the next one, the screen will be cleared, and we can go to the transaction page. So the S here state that if your input is not the same with the recorded text from registration, the system will be paused unless if you press any key, the program will continue. So the screen will be clear after that, and you will be returned to the main menu page, so that you can re-register and log in again. So the next one, we go to the void transaction, which is the transaction page. The transaction page can only be accessed if you log in. So if you don't log in, you cannot access to transaction page. So the declaration of variable, I use x, y, z, k. So here I will be displaying my name, my address, and this is the formula. So the y and z is the input. We can put any value or any amount to that. So the k is actually the total of both of the input. So k equal y plus z. So down here, I'll be displaying the information and result. This is my registration number, vehicle registration number, speeding ticket, which is the input for Y, parking ticket, which is the input for Z, and the total amount is K, which is Y plus Z. And then the system will be paused. The screen will be cleared, and you will go to the balance page. So balance page is a continuation from transaction page, so it can only be accessed if you log in into the program. So the variable used is YZK. So the formula is Y is the input. It can be any amount. K is also the input, and Z is equal to Y times K over 100 plus Y. So yeah, if you want to understand the formula, it is K is a percentage over 100, so you can see it's 20 over 100 times with Y 390 and then plus Y, so it is a percentage increase from Y. So when we see the information and result, this is the vehicle registration number, due amount is Y, late payment penalty is only a display, first month is 10%. After the first month, it will be plus 5% each month. So my payment is due for 3 months, it will be 20%. So total payment is the calculation from here, and then the system will be paused, the screen will be cleared, and I will be returned to the main menu page. So for port service is case number 3. Case number 3, if you choose case number 3 in the option in the main menu, the screen will be cleared and this information will be displayed to you. So the system will be paused after that, and then the screen will be cleared and it will be returned to main menu page. And then for the case number 4, which is profile, the company profile page. So if you choose that option, you will be displayed this information about our company, and then when you finish reading, you can press any key to continue. So when you press any key, the screen will be reset and you will be returned to the main menu page. So that's all for my explanation to this program. So I will do a little like simulation for case number 1 until case number 4. So let's say we go for, firstly we go for case number 2, which is registration. Say we go for case number 2, so we press 2 over here. I say from my previous explanation, I'll say that there will be an input for username. So you key in any username. So you enter the password. Let's say I use 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this information will be recorded using that offstream F1. If you look carefully just now, it say registration is completed and I am returned to the main menu page. So we go to the first case, which is login. So I say login, choice number 1. So there will be a display to enter your username. So for login, you need to enter the username and password that you have entered before during the registration. So I use Amin and 1, 2, 3. So it will say that my login is completed. So from the program, you can see that login is completed if count equal 1. So count equal 1 is when your username and password is the same with the recorded text in registration. So we can continue. So when your login is completed, the system will be paused, and then the screen will be clear, and you will go to the transaction page. Yeah, so we go to the transaction page. There will be a display for my name, address as speeding ticket, parking ticket, and total amount. And then the system will be paused. If I press any key, the screen will be cleared, and I will go to the balance page. So this is the balance page. My vehicle registration number, my due amount, late payment penalty, my total duration for my due date, and my total payment. So soon as I'm finished with that, I will be returned to the main page according to the program. If I press any key, the screen will be cleared and I will be returned to the main menu page. That's it. So for case number 3, which is service offered page, if you press number 3, according to the program, if you press number 3, there will be a display of information, all of this. And then if I press any key, the screen will be clear and I will go to the main menu page. So let's try that. Okay, 3, yeah, display of information for our company, and if I press any key, yeah, I will go to the main menu page. And for the last case, which is void profile, which is our company profile page. If I press number 4, because it is stated in case number 4, okay, 4, okay, as you can see in the program, it stated that there will be a display of information, and if I press any key, the screen will be cleared and I will be returned to the main menu page. Okay, I think that's all for my program. I hope you enjoy, and I hope my program will be accepted as a mini project for billing system under the topic of local authority. So lastly, I would like to exit my program using case number 5. If input number 5, there will be a display of this, and as soon as that, my program will be ended. And that's all from me and my group mate Muhammad Zaini, and thank you for watching.